Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials, so back up your data now and make sure the battery is above 50%. Once done, remove any SD card. Next, power the phone fully off. Press and hold power plus volume up until the Huawei logo appears. This boots recovery mode. You're doing this to access the factory reset options safely. Recovering in recovery avoids boot loops. Make sure you see the MUI or recovery menu before moving on, because that confirms the device accepted the command. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to navigate and the power button to select. You'll need to be deliberate here. Highlight Wipe Data or Factory Reset, then press Power to confirm. This erases user data and restores factory settings. If you see an option for Wipe Cache Partition, use it only when troubleshooting updates or performance problems. It preserves your settings while clearing temporary files. Be patient while the process runs and do not interrupt power. Interruptions can corrupt the system image. After the wipe finishes, choose Reboot System now and let the phone restart. Initial boot can take several minutes, so wait. If the device freezes on the logo, try the reset again from recovery or use ADB sideload to reflash stock firmware. This fixes corrupted system files. If you encounter factory reset protection or activation lock, sign in with the original Huawei/Google account credentials. Otherwise, contact Huawei support with proof of purchase. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.